Guys, I have intentionally delayed making this video because I wanted things to cool off completely. As of tomorrow, Jimmy Kimmel Live is going to be back on the air, which I think is very positive. I personally do not follow the show, so I could care less. But something that I do care about is freedom of speech, or the First Amendment of the Constitution here in the United States. The First Amendment is part of the Bill of Rights, which was passed in 1791, and it guarantees the freedom of religion, freedom of speech, freedom of the press, which is very important, right to assemble, and right to petition. So the United States is an amazing country, and it has an amazing constitution. Something that I truly respect is that in this country, our thoughts, our expressions, we are protected by the Constitution. And that's something beautiful that should continue to be protected. Just because, in this case, Jimmy Kimmel said something that likely was not taken in good faith by someone else, it does not mean that he's going to get punished or whatever for saying whatever he said. He has the right to express his thoughts. He has the right to express whatever he believes. Now, as a human, as a smart human, all of us are very smart. We have to go ahead and do our own research to see if what the other person is saying is right, wrong, it's a fact, and if it aligns with our thoughts, right? So we need to continue to protect the First Amendment. We need to continue to have freedom of speech, because here I'm talking and I'm expressing my thoughts. Some individuals may not agree with me, some individuals may agree with me, but it does not mean that I don't have the right to express my thoughts, because the First Amendment protects the freedom of speech. Also, the press. The press needs to also be protected because it's part of the Bill of Rights, the First Amendment. We need to continue to protect that because that's what makes this country amazing, that our freedom of speech is protected. In conclusion here, you and I and everyone in this country has the right to express themselves, has the right to express their thoughts. Now,